So guys, I was just done with my class. I'm eating peanuts. Hey guys, I want my audio to be much more better, so let me get my mic because it's inside my box. So let me go get it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Roxygen and I'm back again today with another video. I'm going to take my mic to make my audio more better because for my few videos I've seen that a lot of people complain about my audio, that how it was not so good and how it was not so loud. So please forgive me. I'm back with my mic to serve you guys. So since I came to school I haven't really vlogged because I've not been getting that feeling to vlog, but today I decided to vlog because today is Thursday. Yes, and I have only one class today, a class from 10 to 11, and this is currently 8:40 something. I haven't started preparing yet. As you can see, that's my bed there. I can't be staying down to iron for you guys again. That's my bed right there, and then I have my locker there. It's open, and my box, Ghana must go, my handbag there, and then I wanted to bring out what I will wear and go for my lecture today. So I applied for a work study in Babcock, and what a work study is like applying to work in Babcock, and then if they'll select you for an interview. If you pass the interview, you start working. Whether you want to work at the cafeteria, the library, or which other place? Different place. They have different places that you can work at, and if you get through the interview and you pass, then you start working, and then you have a maximum amount of time to work, and then after working at the end of the month you get paid. I don't know the amount yet, but we're going to do that this semester. I applied. Let's pray that I pass. Today is Thursday, and they sent me an email yesterday and told me okay that I should come today between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and between that 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. today, I still have to go and meet my course advisor because he told us to come and meet him because in mass communication, I'm on 300 level, and you're supposed to select the specialization which you want to do, whether you want to do public relations, which is PRAD, or whether you want to do broadcasting. So I'm doing PRAD, but you still have to meet him so that for carryover students they can know the courses to remove and 100 level courses they need to pick up again. So yeah. Anyways, I don't have a carryover course. He still said everybody should come and meet him and receive advice from him, but it's taking quite a while. I went on Tuesday and we came back not doing it, my friends. So I'm going to be going today. What did I just say? For the interview, they told me to come between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. today, and if I can't make it today, I should come tomorrow, which is Friday, between 12 to 1. Yeah. So let's check out whether we're going to do it today. If I meet my course advisor today and everything goes through on time, I'll go for the interview. If it doesn't work out today, I'll go on Friday. So we're going to go together. And my roommate's bed is down, so I have to iron there, of course, because I can't be ironing up. So guys, I should have to pardon my audio because from now I'm not using my mic because I'm going to be stepping out very soon. So I'm going to be spraying the sunscreen on my leg. This is the sunscreen I got when I went to Germany, so I'm going to be using it for my leg and my neck because the Babcock sun is too much. basically I'll be talking and walking at the same time. I have gone for the interview. I don't know if you guys can help me very well. I've gone for the interview and they told us to come back tomorrow. If I get back to my hall, I'll give you guys full detail on what I did. So I'm heading to my course advisor's office right now. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys later. Good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oxygen and I'm back again today with another video. This video is a compilation of different videos all together. I've not been uploading videos for some time because of schoolwork. And yes, this is me sitting down beside Malcolm at Babcock University, and I'm supposed to go and collect my food right now, but I don't want the soup to pour on my clothes because I'm supposed to stay in the cafeteria to eat it. So I'm contemplating whether to go to the cafeteria or to buy food. This is Ogadi with me. Ogadi, say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. So you guys, this video will be a compilation of different videos, vlogs all together. So you guys should enjoy this video as it is till I go back home and upload more valuable content for you guys.
Thursday morning and I'm going for a class. I'm going for a class this morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know how it's going to be. So bye bye. So guys, I'm just done with my class. I'm eating peanuts. I have another class to do. So yeah. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm on my way to the library to go and work. The sun is hitting me up. I'll be back to see you guys later. intro for this video, but I didn't do an intro, but I'm having a 7 o'clock class. My scarf just spoiled and I have to hide these sneezes. I have a 7 o'clock class and oh my god. This is 6:40. So I'll see you guys later. So you guys don't even know what happened to me. I went back to my house to take my notes. I forgot one of my notes yesterday. So I'm on my way to class again. Struggles of being a university student.